Wait.
What's up, guys? It's me, Tnt 10.
I'm gonna be an ice wizard.
No, I didn't choose. No, I chose the ice wizard by accident. All right. Anyway,
the
guys.
ice wizard's good. You can freeze people.
Anyway, guys, today we're playing a game of Wizards. I mean, the Tnt Wizards. Oh, JP. Why didn't I? Whoa! What did they do? Oh,
guys, we're playing Tnt Wizards today.
And anyway, oh guys, there's been a little bit glitch in Ben's computer, so he'll look like it's Steve, but I'll show you where he is right now. Stop moving. He's right there. Yeah, say hi. Minecraft.
Hi everybody.
He doesn't look unusual because
uncle. I like the twerk.
Yeah, he looks like a twerk to Steve, but it's only because like there's a glitch in.
Alright, let's start working against you, Dustin. Feel the wrath of Miley Cyrs.
Yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed my yesterday's video. Alright, so since I'm gonna start like making some goals for likes, alright? So
there's a glitch with the double jump, so you can jump like 15 feet.
Yes. Yeah, I saw. So my goal today, maybe since I'll make it easy for you guys to see if you guys can give me 18 likes, and whoever wins, I might give them actually a free Minecraft. You guys might be able to be in my video and say a good comment and actually like this video and maybe a little bit subscribe. That I'll put you in 2 videos if you subscribe. And yeah.
I just shrouded my screen.
You shrouded? You shrouded?
You guys should all go on to like high pixel
I'll put the icon down below.
It's so fun.
Ben, are you jumping?
I'm going to go try to take a booster.
Yes.
I'm going to be helpful for once in my life. Ooh, I see red.
I can't use ice wall.
Oh, I am a red. You haven't played this in a bit. There's 2 wands, Dustin. The stick is the defense one.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I see their base. I see it. Let's do it.
I'm trying to take over a checkpoint, you know.
People are firing at me. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it, son. I do not gonna make it.
Oh, I killed a guy. Yay. Oh gosh, someone shot me in the face. You shot me in the
Ha.
Oh, wait, can I shoot that? No!
You're just like,
I'm lagging from all these good explosions. Whoa, oh, this is the end of the world. I almost fell off the end of the world. I can't see their base.
Point beta. I took point beta.
You did?
Anybody else? No.
Man, where are you? Are you on the blue team base? I see their base now.
Team blue.
No, darn it, someone shot me. Team blue member.
I'm gonna get blasted. I like to get blasted.
I'm really confused with the shoot. Party rocks in the hands. Oh man. Where is the blue team's sky base? What happened to the sky base?
Miley Cyrs in the house.
You have Miley Cyrs. Wait, no, really, where is the... Oh gosh.
Oh, we're taking the base.
Oh, it's in boy beta, please.
How much will help? Someone killed me.
Oh, I got killed. Oh, Ben, wait, where's the...
Keep following me.
Oh, my ice one died.
Over there, right across from us.
Oh, I made an ice one in my face.
Active do the stick. We're top. Oh, it's okay, I see you.
Yay. Where are you?
See me?
Man, you made an ice wall. Ah! Dude, help me. I got wrecked. Oh, gosh. Shot me.
I see the remains of my ice sword before.
Dude, oh gosh. I'm shooting randomly and I can't. Oh gosh. Oh, I got him. Sorry, no disturbance. Oh, Ben, what are you doing?
I have to take their base slowly, one piece by one piece. Shh, get down. Stop. They're blasting. I will have one heart left. I was able to make myself a little shield.
Oh man, I made an ice room. Haha, this is my beautiful.
I'm ready to fight. For my life.
Man, I made a huge ice wall staircase.
That's not even how you are.
I know.
So, eat the fire wizard.
Hey, look, I'm in the blue team's base. Ah, what's up?
Oh, dude, I took my ice. I just took my ice
I'm putting.
pattern and made it your own. Team Blue cooking, no, not gonna happen, homeboys. Not gonna happen, homeboys of Team Blue.
Dude, I'm in the top almost. No! I know, but Mom, I'm finishing this video. One more game. Oh my gosh, dude, I got killed in top of the tower.
I was killed by some sapphire girl.
Ice wall.
I was so close to the top. Why is my double up?
Me too, but we got some team. Oh gosh, we got some campers.
Campers? I don't like no campers. But then again, aren't we campers?
Yes.
Oh, do you want me to cancel it?
Keep it.
Go.
Yeah. I know, but I'm still hosting it.
Oh, crap. Hope the words fall out on a slate. I won't smoke away. Oh, this is the song that I love anyway. Yeah, I know that.
Dude, yeah.
This is teleconference sensitive just now.
Oh my gosh, there's so much explosion. My mom is at the team blue base and they came in here. No! How could they
And we
win?
were working so hard to attack them.
Yeah, so we lost this game, but...
Let's do the walls now.
No, let's do one more game of Tnt Wizards, okay?
Yeah, just so we can win and earn some.
Yeah, this time we're gonna win, not getting dirty branches on my back.
Gonna be blue this time.
Alright, we'll be right back. I think. Yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, what's up? We're back, guys.
4, 3, 2, 1.
We're back, guys, and
Shish kebab noodles. Crap.
shish kebab. Alright, I'm gonna go take the fast part.
Liquor Pro.
What the flying like the monster?
What's the pop say?
I'm actually, what does the popper say? No, but no, that song is kind of, I don't, if people not actually don't like the song, and then you're with me, thank you, but, if you
just like it.
I'm sorry, but I just
If they don't like it, they're not pro. They're not cool. Who doesn't like it?
I'm actually sneaking. Wait, where's the red team's tower?
I don't know. It works differently. It's not a tower. I think it's all the way across town.
Where?
Below me. I think just follow your heart.
Oh, I skipped over it. I'm in the tower. Why is it raining?
Never bother me anyway. Imagine a door slamming.
I came in like a man. No! Bye!
Anybody who spawns will get hit by me. What?
What?
What? I Don't rage on. Don't never bother me anymore. Ooh, Justin.
I'm sorry, you guys. Dang.
Oh, it's this map. I whipped out the Ice Wizard. And I would have totally taken over the cave. Well, if you can't see with it, you have to take over it.
I'm right by the red team's like. Where is the watchtower? Where is the watchtower?
I don't know. Far away. They're all just came into the cavern. Now she's trapped. I just collapsed the cavern roof. What? She made it out somehow.
I think I see the cavern. I'm not sure, but I can't find it for some reason.
There's a blue little thing covered in ice.
Oh! Team Blue,
It's Point Alpha.
what? Better?
No, they're different. They're pretty much the same.
Come on, Team Blueies. Oh, now they take Point Alpha. What? We're gonna take Point Alpha. Yeah.
Used to be a son.
Come on, Mom. I'm almost done. Where is the watchtower?
I'm just busy collapsing this way. Cause I can. This is just my secret cavern of cavernness. I'm watching while my teammates get killed right now.
I watched this team die.
Yeah, I'm so pro. So pro! So pro, I didn't help my team.
Ow. I killed a guy in prison.
So far contract. Oh, shit, let me see that. I think that Ben's challenge or whatever.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's probably part of mine.
Mom. I am mature,
My
but I
terrible
said
team, my
I
garbage
this
is getting
video.
back on TV. Last round, I just killed somebody. What the heck? I see somebody. I'm like killing all the wrong people.
Sorry.
I just shot somebody.
Where is the red team? Or the red team must be hacking?
No, but we're still winning. Oh man, I could have saved that explosion for something else.
I need to look for the red team's like thingy. Oh, is this game just about like? Oh, I think we're getting defenders. Maybe they don't have a watchtower. I'm not sure.
I'm at it.
We are. Where is it?
It's at the very edge of the town.
Wait, which one? Which end?
Just walk around the sides of the.
Oh, I found like oh, red team's. I found another checkpoint.
I'll just blow.
I'm getting the last one. No! Help, dude. Oh, I took point Gemma. I took point Gemma. Dude, I actually took
With your help, Yumi actually might win.
No, I took point Gemma.
Yeah. Good job, Justin. I've seen that.
No! Now they did! You can tell. I killed him. Dude, help me at point Gemma, please. Someone is gonna.
I'm too busy killing the red people who died.
Alright, I took point Gemma.
Oh, you just took it?
No, I did.
Oh, so you took it back?
Yeah, no, I didn't even know there's actually a point right there. I took point Gemma back. It's ours now. Oh, we took point Alpha. Oh, I got this point.
Oh, what the heck? That was
Yeah!
dude, look what I just said. You
Well,
were
can I
killed by
finish this? I'll tell you when I finish.
EFT 22.
Okay, I said let me finish the video.
EFT 22. It was a self kill. I killed him. He killed me.
Oh, okay, Mom. Yeah, well, guys, we won. We won. We won. We won, girl. We won. So, guys, GG. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, put a like. And if you guys put a like,
And like Miley Cyrus's channel.
Alright, guys, our goal today, as I said, if it ain't your likes, and if you guys subscribe a little bit and put a like and say a good comment to me, then I'll might put you in the video. But if you subscribe too, you can get into videos of mine. I promise. Okay? So put those likes down. Our goal is 800 likes.
Give Miley Cyrus credit for this video.
No, Miley Cyrus is
Miley Cyrus is Dustin's girlfriend.
No, it isn't. It's Minecraft Batty's girlfriend. So
yeah, I came up with the wrecking ball idea.
let me see. Her ex-boyfriend did that. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.
I live on the plus.
Guys, peace out and expect never videos. Peace.